what we used to say when we started the company was people wanted great products, not sustainable ones. What we've found today, fast forward 5 years, is that people believe now that truly great products are sustainable.
Different technologies play a key role at each stage of the building life cycle. They help us become more efficient, reduce waste, and save time and energy.
In one sense, the smart metering was very siloed. And now that we can connect a lot of different data sets across the building, and we can understand not only about what energy we're using, but why we're using it, and in a much granular way, drive down overall energy consumption. So we're really excited about how smart will contribute to our net zero targets and also the targets of our occupiers.
We used to be a small company where we could all sit around one conference table. Now we're spanning oceans, and we need technology to really drive home for us what's important about productivity, creativity, and bringing people together in an environment, whether you're within the same walls or not.
In history, we would go to the office to do work. Now, today, we can do work everywhere. We will come to the office to communicate, to be part of a culture.
Creativity, collaboration, culture, and also coaching. And offices, I think, really do those better than remote working.
If you think about the need for contactless technology moving forward, the ability to communicate with tenants and employees in a more seamless way.
You know, they're expecting a seamless experience from the time they reach the parking garage, all the way to the front lobbies, all the way to their office space. And so being able to have that seamless experience is what we're striving for. And so with that, we are deploying tenant engagement apps to be able to serve as the center point for those users and those visitors into our space.
The owners, the investors, they want an efficient building with less leakage in terms of cost, closely monitored, understand what's going on in this office and how the tenant uses it.
Smart technologies enable us to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence in order to understand these parameters and provide this information to users.
What we know for a fact, and we've proven this out a number of times, is that the more granular data I can collect, the more valuable it is and the more efficiencies that I can ultimately create for my customers and ourselves. Smart buildings make smart sense because they should save money. Make decisions that are foundational. Make decisions that aren't rip and replace, that ultimately you can see how my software can grow and morph and evolve, and then look at my hardware options and do the same.
Do we have good bones? Do we have good infrastructure? Do we have a good platform that we've implemented in these buildings that we can really plug and play? And that goes back to the integration question. Make sure that 5, 6, 7 years from now, you can plug and play the latest technology, and having that mindset of open API, integration, partnerships is critical.